Okay, so this is another set of door lock knobs I ordered for my 2004 Mercedes E500. Um, let's see how they work out. This is the ones I'm hoping to replace. The ones that were essentially these door lock knobs aren't the locks are actually making a bouncing sound and they don't work, but at the same time what tends to happen is these locks are made of plastic, so they break really easily, and these are, I think they're metal. That's what I got them on Amazon for maybe around $9 for a set of 4. So what happens is, so this is the original locks, this is lock, oh this is unlock, and this is lock. So this is the rear right side lock, which happens to be working, but the rear left side lock bounces. So I don't expect that these will fix the bouncing problem, but at the very least I want to be able to replace these plastic door lock knobs with metal ones so they don't keep breaking. The one in the front, for example, this one broke because it's made of plastic. So I want to be able to use these metal ones, and so that they don't keep breaking. These ones are gray, so you just to remove them, you just turn them anti-clockwise and pull them out like this, and inside this there is like a threaded it's a threaded piece, so I think it just screws on to the threaded piece, this door lock knob, and that's what it looks like when it's removed. If I compare the two, the original ones are slightly taller, not a whole lot, but hopefully it should work out. So to use these replacement ones, I just put them in like this and twist them in. It seems like it's fitting, but it's like stuck. It's like sort of really this bottom or tall piece. Let's see if it works. It does work, and it seems to have threaded in well. But it's not locking in. I'm not sure why. Let's see if it operates manually. It does seem to operate. Let's try lock and unlock. It does seem to be working. Now this one's bouncing too. Earlier this one wasn't bouncing. Unlock and lock. So I don't think this is a good idea or a good replacement, because it seems to be, it does thread in, seems to fit the thread, and it seems to work. But it doesn't seem to be tall enough, so it doesn't seem to operate. Now it's bouncing, whereas the original ones weren't bouncing. So I'm just gonna put the original ones back. I don't want it to be introducing. Doesn't seem like a good fit. So I'm gonna put the original one back. I think you need to press it in and thread it in. Yeah, so this one's working now. So I'm going to return those other ones to Amazon.